Unit 1.
Branch. Branch is a noun. A branch is a part of a tree. It grows out of the trunk of the tree. Red and yellow leaves fell from each branch of the tree. Now you say the word branch. Branch. Brave. Brave is an adjective. A brave person is someone who is not afraid of danger. When the cat got stuck in the tree, the brave boy climbed up to save it. Now you say the word brave. Brave. Dash. Dash is a noun. A dash is a small amount of something. The soup needs a dash of pepper. Now you say the word dash. Dash. Dash is a verb. When you dash, you move quickly. Don't slip if you dash across the wet grass. Now you say the word dash. Evening. Evening is a noun. The evening is the part of the day between late afternoon and early nighttime. We eat dinner in the evening after Mom gets home from work. Now you say the word evening. Evening. Greedy. Greedy is an adjective. A greedy person wants more of something than he or she needs. Kim was greedy when she did not share her big bowl of popcorn. Now you say the word greedy. Greedy. Pass. Pass is a noun. A pass is a piece of paper that says the person holding it can do something. Mom has a pass to park her car in the lot. Now you say the word pass. Pass. Pass is a verb. When you go by something, you pass it. I passed by the park on my way home. Now you say the word pass. Present. Present is an adjective. If you are present in a place, you are there. Everyone was present on the class trip. Now you say the word present. Present. Present is a noun. A present is something that you give to someone out of kindness. I drew a picture for Greg as a present. Now you say the word present. Stream. Stream is a noun. A stream is a body of flowing water that is not too wide or deep. The water in the stream only reaches my ankles. Now you say the word stream. Stream. Trail. Trail is a noun. A trail is a path for people to follow, especially in the woods. I walk along the trail to the stream. Now you say the word trail. Trail. Wise. Wise is an adjective. A wise person or choice shows good sense and judgment. Wearing a raincoat on a wet day is a wise thing to do. Now you say the word wise. Wise.